To be attractive as a man, you have to understand grooming rules. So today, I'm gonna show you 37 grooming rules every man should follow. Starting. Number 1, ask your barber to shave your forehead. Dermaplaning is a process that involves shaving your entire face to remove dead skin cells and your hair. This results in smoother skin and better product absorption. However, dermaplaning clinics can be way too expensive. So a quick trick to save time and money is that the next time your barber's lining you up, just ask him to shave your entire face, including your upper cheeks and your forehead with a straight razor. Number 2, use your jeans to sharpen your razors. If you have a razor that's dull, old, or is not cutting correctly, I want you to stroke it a few times against your jeans, and it'll be good as new. Number 3, use the right sunblock for your skin color. Look, not everyone needs the same level of SPF. So, to keep things simple, I made a chart to show you the recommended level of SPF you need depending your skin tone color. For those of you that have very light skin, you should opt for an SPF that's around 50. For individuals with moderately tan skin, you should go for an SPF 30 or above. And for those guys that have darker skin, SPF 15 or above is more than enough. Number 4, never use the same moisturizer before and after bed. Using the wrong moisturizer at the wrong time can make your skin look worse. So during the day, you want to use a moisturizer that has SPF, but also color enhancing ingredients like vitamin C. While at night, you want to focus on thicker, heavier creams that contain glycolic acid or retinol to help hydrate your skin as you sleep. 5, women care about your skin. According to a study run by the University of Bristol, good skin is more attractive to women than owning a nice car. So, if you just think you have to become rich to attract more women, do the easy one first. Get clear skin. Number 6, never brush your teeth without flossing first. When you floss before you brush, you help soften the food and all the plaque buildup in between your teeth, making it easier to clean your teeth properly to eliminate bad breath. Number 7, if you don't wash your hair correctly, you're gonna lose it. You see, during a study published in 2021, researchers found that when men didn't wash their hair appropriately, they would start losing it at a younger age. So if you don't want to lose your hair prematurely, you need to start washing it and conditioning it every 3 days. However, don't make the mistake of using the harmful, cheap products that contain a ton of harmful ingredients. For example, this is an all-natural conditioner. You can almost see it has almost like that homemade natural quality, smells delicious, and it's a conditioner bar, unlike the stuff that you usually see at supermarkets that's super cheap. Now, I got my shampoo and conditioner bar from Havish & Co. And what I like about the bar is that you almost get like this massage session as you're applying the conditioner. And this is made from natural ingredients like Longshan rice water, which just hydrates and repairs damaged hair, making it less likely that I'm gonna lose it early on. So now, gonna leave it for a while, keep going. Number 8, you wanna shower before you cut your nails. Whether you're gonna cut your fingernails or toenails, what I like to do is I'll step in the shower. Once I'm done, I'll step out and immediately cut my nails. You can almost see your nail bits will be instantly softer, getting a closer, cleaner cut every time. Number 9, the buzz cut is a rite of passage. Every man should shave their head at least once in their life, because you won't know if it looks good until you do it. And look, if it looks bad, then it humbles your character, it gets you more confident. But for most men, it looks great. Number 10, never rub the products into your face. When you rub products into your skin, you destroy the skin barrier, which leads to dryness and being susceptible to acne. You should instead only apply the products with your fingertips in gentle circular motions, and then highly sensitive areas like under your skin, you can even use your smaller fingers just to lightly tap under this area to not cause any damage. Number 11, when you condition your hair, work from the bottom up. Most guys don't understand how to apply conditioner correctly. See, I want you to grab your conditioner and start from the root of your hair. If you have short hair, it'll be the base of your hair and work the way down. When you work from the root to the top, you're covering the entire hair shaft, which reduces the chances of dryness, bitterness, or any other scalp issue like itchiness or dandruff. Now, conditioning the root up can even reduce your chances of hair loss as you're taking care of your hair properly, provided that you use the right products, because a lot of you will use products that have artificial ingredients. And that's why I love these shampoo bars from Havish & Co. Bro, these things are sick. They smell amazing and they will change your shower game. I promise you, you need to switch from your artificial stuff to natural ingredients. The way your hair is gonna feel after each shower is gonna be incredible. I'm gonna have them linked down below. They have both shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. Number 12, use different scents for different events. If you're going off to school or work, you should go for a light cologne with fruity notes. But if you're off to a date, you should opt for something heavier that has woody notes. But just like your clothing, your fragrances should align to the event that you're going to. Number 13, never pop a pimple. At best, all you'll do is push that bacteria deeper into your skin. At worst, it's gonna do that, while also leave permanent, everlasting damage like scarring. Instead, what you should do is buy pimple cream, which is topical cream, apply a little bit to it, and then just leave it alone. Number 14, every time you shave, I want you to shave upwards. When you shave upwards, most of the time you will be shaving against the grain, which will give you a much cleaner appearance. However, to prevent ingrown hairs, when you shave against the grain, you should immediately exfoliate your skin. And if you don't have an exfoliating product, you can literally just grab a little bit of sea salt and water, mix it together, and exfoliate that area to prevent ingrowth. Number 15, try multiple barbers before you commit. Trying multiple barbers before you commit to one allows you to try multiple styles to find which one suits best for your hair type and your desired hairstyle. Number 16, don't use eye cream to remove dark eye circles. It is a waste of money. Instead, grab 2 spoons, throw them in the freezer. After 30 minutes, you're gonna grab them and place them right underneath your eyes. That cold metal against the skin will reduce inflammation and remove some of that blood flow to clear the dark eye circle. Number 17, don't shave the chest hair. Firstly, when your chest hair grows back, it's gonna be prickly, which is super uncomfortable, not just for you when you're wearing a shirt, but also when you're with a girl. You know. But more importantly than that, during a study where researchers asked women's preference on body hair on men, only 14% said they preferred men with their chest hair shaved, while everyone else preferred a bit of hair because it looked more masculine. Number 18, your eyebrows must be symmetrical. See, 2 eyebrows can add balance and symmetry to the face, but only if you do it correctly. So to symmetrically draw your eyebrows on your face, you'll need 2 things: an eyebrow shaver and some sort of comb or pen. Line up the pen into the middle of the nostril, all the way going up. All that hair past that line needs to go, so you shave it off. And then repeat the process for the other side. And that's it. Now you have symmetrical eyebrows. Number 19, I want you to use a body wash that does more than just clear your skin, but removing dirt and bacteria from your skin, it's crucial. Any sort of soap can do that. You have to also understand that a good body wash should nourish and hydrate your skin at the same time. This is exactly when I look for products, I'm looking for products that, yes, can clean me, make me smell good, but alongside of it can nourish my skin. And for example, for that, I found no better product than the shower and body bar soaps from a company called Hamish & Co. If you notice, a lot of my shower stuff is natural. And what I like about Hamish & Co, they got you covered not only with shampoo and conditioner bars, but also body bars that smell incredible and are natural. So now, my skin's not only clean, it smells amazing, and you're gonna go see it, it's glistening, it's hydrated. If you wanna change up your shower game, you have to change up the products that you use. I want you to check out Hamish & Co. It's gonna be linked down below with a special discount that's gonna make it insanely affordable. You'll never go back to regular bars. Number 20, always tilt your head back when you're shaving. When you do, you get to pull the skin tighter, allowing the blade to glide closer to your skin so you can get that tight shave. On top of that, you get a better angle too, so you can actually line up your beard. And also notice if you have any crazy long hairs too. Number 21, your bad breath. It has everything to do with your tongue. Almost all the bacteria that can cause bad breath, it's not in between your teeth, it's all in your tongue. So invest in a tongue scraper. These are like $2 on Amazon to clear off all the white stuff off your tongue to have fresh breath. Number 22, never forget to moisturize these 5 areas. Most men know they have to moisturize your face, but they completely neglect the rest of their body. And so, you walk around with dry and ashy elbows, knees, and hands. To fix this, you're gonna grab a bit of lotion, and you're gonna moisturize your elbows, your knees, your hands, your chest, and your neck. Number 23, always shave the back of your neck. Shaving the back of your neck, it's a bit tricky, but it's important to make your haircut look fresher. That way you can do it in between cuts. So, to make it easy, you'll need a phone, and I want you to open it up and put it on like a selfie mode, like you're gonna take a picture of yourself. And now you can use this to guide yourself. So now you need a mirror in front of you plus the camera, and you can better guide yourself as you trim upwards to clear out all the back of your neck. Number 24, always wash your hair at night. Washing your hair at night is a cheat code because you get to remove all the dirt and bacteria that you accumulate throughout the day, and then you prevent
for transferring that into your pillowcases as you sleep, which that's what ends up causing you acne. However, and for this, it is important, it's crucial that you look for shampoo that's strong enough to remove all that bacteria and dirt buildup so it's not transferred into your bed while also not damaging your hair. What I like about Hamish & Co. is that they use natural ingredients, and then you can buy the bar of all their shampoos and you can pick apart depending your hair type. So for example, if you have dry hair, I recommend this charred patchouli one, as that is gonna rehydrate your hair as you wash it. If your hair tends to be oily, which is what I'm using right now, you're going for the citron and ginger shampoo bar, which, bro, it smells like a high-end fragrance, but it also helps control some of that grease that your hair produces. And the cool part is that each bar lasts 60 washes, so you get 60 total washes every time you buy one. And with the discount below, it makes these waters even more affordable, and you're getting 2 months of use.
Number 25, ditch the comb over. If you're losing your hair, you have 3 options: hair transplant, take care of the hair, or just shave it all together. But never try to do some sort of comb over or push your hair forward trying to hide your hair loss. Everyone can tell what's going on.
Number 26, consistently change your toothbrush. Your toothbrush holds a lot of bacteria, and this will make your breath smell terrible. So make it a rule that every 3 months you change your toothbrush head. This is why I love electric toothbrushes, because literally you just have to buy the heads. Number 27, don't use liquid conditioner. Look, liquid conditioner, a lot of them are filled with harmful chemicals that dry out your hair, but also will make your hair fall out because of the mistreatment. Instead, look for stuff that's natural when it comes to your hair. There is gelatin, and all you need is for something that actually hydrates your hair. These Hamish & Co. conditioner bar is unlike anything you've ever seen. You get 90 days of use, so basically 3 months of use on this bar. And the way your hair feels after each wash, super silky. It's unlike anything you'll get from your regular liquid conditioner. If you guys want to check them out, again, they'll be linked down below. 90 days of use, 3 months of use per bar. And there's a discount code. Go ahead and check them out.
Number 28, understand the 5 rules of using a fragrance. You see, most men will waste their fragrances by using it wrong. So if you follow these 5 rules, you'll always be good. 1, apply it to skin, never to clothing. 2, apply it to moisturized skin right after the shower. 3, never spray a cloud and walk into it. 4, only use it on your wrists and neck. 5, try and mix your scents. Number 29, your haircut should match your face shape. If you don't know your face shape, then you can take an online test to find out yourself. Once you have that, I want you to search up haircuts for your specific face shape and then take those images to your barber so you can get the perfect cut. Number 30, stop using these cotton swabs. They'll just push bacteria and earwax deeper into your ear. Instead, grab a spray bottle, mix water and soap, and use that to flush out all the wax. Number 31, shaving makes you look bigger. I'm talking about downstairs, but also in your midsection. I told you not to shave your chest, but your private area, your abs, and your legs, these you can shave, as this is gonna make these areas look bigger and more defined. Number 32, let your body wash sit on your skin for 3 minutes. Don't be the guy that just puts on body wash and quickly rinses off. It's pointless. You're not allowing it to clean your skin. Instead, you wanna let it sit on your skin for a minimum of around 3 minutes. So you're not only cleaning and killing off the bacteria, but also allowing the nutrients, especially if it's a good one like the natural bars that I use, to absorb into your skin, and you can actually see results. Like when you rinse it off and you've left it for 3 minutes, your skin should feel soft and hydrated like this. If it's not doing this, you got the wrong body wash. Again, if you guys want to check out these Hamish & Co. grooming bars, you can check out all 3, a bottom bar, a shampoo bar, and a conditioning bar down below. They sell them in bundles, and there's a discount code. Number 33, use petroleum jelly to smell nice for longer. Before you apply your fragrance, place a bit of petroleum jelly on your wrist and on your neck. The compounds will make the scent stronger, but also help it last longer. Number 34, use the right hair product. There are so many different hair products to choose from, but honestly, only 3 of them make men look better. Now here's a list of the top 5 hair products from worst to best. First, you have gels. This makes your hair look too greasy. Next, you have hairspray, which is better, but ends up leaving your hair crunchy. Third, you have styling cream, which is a neutral, all-around okay product. Fourth, you have clays and pomades, which provide a great hold and finish to your hair. And fifth, you have texture powders, which provide a great hold, but also give your hair a natural texturized look, almost as if you just rolled out of bed. Personally, I suggest you always use the 3 bottom ones I went over to always look great. Number 35, your hair is damaged by the sun. Every time you apply sunscreen to your face, once I'm done, I like to grab a little bit and just dab it into my hair a bit. This is gonna protect it from the sun, from graying, and also hair loss. Number 36, use the right facial hair for the right occasion. Studies have found your facial hair will influence how women perceive you in different situations. So, if you are in a position of power and want to appear more trustworthy, studies suggest that women prefer a clean-shaven look. If you just want attention on a night out, studies show that women prefer men with a low stubble for one-night stands. However, if you're searching for a long-term partner or a wife, studies show that women prefer men with a full-grown beard. Number 37, book the first barber slot Monday morning. This is strategic. 1, the barbershop will be empty. 2, your barber will come in refreshed from a weekend of rest, meaning that you're gonna end up getting a much better cut, more time and attention than if you were to book, let's say, Friday night, where he had to work a long day already and is gonna be exhausted. And that's it. If you follow these 37 grooming rules, you got everything you need to look better than your competition.